How's it going, everyone? It's Christmas. Quite literally, meaning it's time for your gifts, and I'm here to give them to you. Now, I'm not the one that made them, I'm just the one bringing them to you. I guess you could call me your secret Santa. On a serious note, however, the fantastic modders over at the Beat Saber modding community have been working incredibly hard throughout the last year. And finally now, on Christmas Day, they are ready to give you your gifts. So when I was asked if I want to check out and record a video about noodle extensions on the Oculus Quest standalone for Christmas Day, you know I said yes. Today I'm bringing you a video on how to install, use, and play around with noodle extensions fully standalone on your Oculus Quest 2. This is something we have been waiting for a while. We've been modding Beat Saber for a very long time on the Quest 2. However, there was still one mod that was holding us back from using the Quest fully standalone and not using PCVR. Noodle extensions. Finally, it's here. So, what are we waiting for? As usual, in case you guys like this video, make sure to smack that subscribe button down below, and let's get right into it. Since I know that people that have no clue what noodle extensions are here, and why could this possibly be the largest update of Beat Saber for the Quest? Well, for those of you that don't know, noodle extensions are essentially what allow you to fully customize maps, make the blocks do things that they're, well, not entirely supposed to do. You guys ever seen that one video where a Mario level is made into a Beat Saber level? Well, that was all done thanks to noodle extensions. Noodle extensions can do incredibly crazy things. Nothing is outside the realm of possibilities with noodle extensions, which is why I'm also very excited to see how well it runs on the Quest. So, with that all being said, let's go check it out. Now, noodle extensions was made for Beat Saber version 1.17.1. If you're on a higher one, you're going to need to downgrade. So I have a video on exactly how to do that right up here in case you guys are interested. Very simple with the DownQuest plugin thanks to Basti. And once you guys have downgraded, it's pretty simple from there. So installing the mod is incredibly simple. All you do is you fire up BMBF once you have your Beat Saber modded, go to Browse Mods, and find noodle extensions. It's going to be at the very top of the list. All you do then is you click the little blue arrow to the right hand side, and boom, you have noodle extensions installed. Now what you need to do is up at the top right, click Sync to Beat Saber, and you're all done. Before you fire up Beat Saber, I would recommend you also install Chroma, since a lot of the maps that use noodle extensions also use Chroma. So do the exact same thing with Chroma, sync to Beat Saber, and then click Start Beat Saber. And boom, you're done. The mod is installed. Make sure it's activated, and you're ready and off to go. Let's fire it up and see how this truly works. Let's see some mods, let's see some action, and let's see whether it's going to lag on Beat Saber. And just before we jump into the actual gameplay, here is how you can find songs with noodle extensions incredibly easily. On your main page, go into your song browser, which should be to your left, and on the filters tab to the left again, where you see NE, select required. This will give you all of the songs that have noodle extensions pre-installed inside your song browser. Therefore, you don't need to go looking for them or searching for them, they should be right there. And you can download them from there and they will show up right in your Beat Saber when they're downloaded. So here I'm actually going to be doing a voiceover simply because, well, most of the songs are going to be copyrighted and we can't have that happening. So yeah, we tried out a few songs, and while I could not record on the Oculus Quest 2 at the same time as I played the maps, it would just lag out entirely, I was actually able to cast to my PC and record it that way. So we do actually have a recording. Keep in mind, it would work even better if I wasn't casting to my PC. Now, it worked fantastically, like incredibly well, and as you can see, things got crazy super quickly. A lot of the people that use noodle extensions use it for the absolute meme and make maps impossible to beat. But that does not change the fact that it can make the maps that are made well and are beatable really, really fun, and incredibly fun to watch as well in like gameplays. As I said before, noodle extensions has pretty much infinite possibilities. It makes things that were normally completely impossible possible. It makes these crazy cool animations possible, and overall just changes the way the game works, brings out a whole new level. And for the longest time I thought this would be impossible on Quest 2 because of how intensive it looks, but here we are with the Beat Saber modding community creating it and making it work on the Quest 2. I mean, that is just absolutely incredible. I know I am going to have so much fun. I mean, I just played it there, played like 5 songs, and I could not stop. So I know that if I go back into it, I'm going to download way more songs, and I will not be leaving for the next 2 hours. So I better not do that. But I wish you guys fun. I'm sure a lot of you already have your devices and are playing around with them, modding Beat Saber and playing some really cool games. So I wish you guys the best of fun. Does that even make any sense? As I'm sure you can see, this overall gives a ton of possibilities and just overall makes the game a lot more colorful, a lot more fun, and in some cases, a lot more difficult. Meaning that if you maybe are looking to turn up your game to the next difficulty, next step, this is definitely the plugin for you. I mean, I personally think this is a plugin for pretty much everyone. This is a must-have if you're modding Beat Saber. Here we are. Yes, this is the outro. I actually haven't tried it yet because, well, I have Vigilia to go to, but I know for a fact it's going to be absolutely amazing. And here I am. Yes, another voiceover. This video was supposed to be released at midnight. I do apologize for not releasing it at midnight. However, me thinking that I would be able to release anything at midnight on Christmas Eve, well, was a very big dumb. I wanted to spend the time with family, and, well, I spent it till like 4 a.m. So as you can probably tell, I didn't have time to edit or release this video. So it's getting released late. I do apologize, but family is #1 during Christmas. That is my priority. Yeah, that's why the intro said midnight. It was not midnight. But anyway, I'll now give you guys to the actual outro. It's incredible to see how far we've come with Beat Saber modding on the Quest. It's such a small standalone device, and yet it's capable of so much. And of course, a massive congratulations to the Beat Saber modding team for being able to make this happen, and just a huge thank you on behalf of the community, on behalf of myself, for just making this happen. You guys make Beat Saber so much more fun, and it just wouldn't be the same without you. I want to thank you for all the hard work that you've done throughout the years, and just overall, you guys are incredibly fantastic, and you deserve all the praise coming your way. But yeah, thank you so much for letting me record this early and try it out early. It's currently 10:46 a.m. But yeah, I need to go do some rapping, and I will see you guys later on. Who knows, maybe even in VR chat. I really want to have a VR chat Christmas party. I really do. So I know I promised VR chat a few days ago, but Christmas was coming, so I absolutely flopped that. Yes, that was my failure, my mistake. Way too much work to get done. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. If you disliked it, I guess this button works too. But leave some constructive criticism down below in the comment section. I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas. I hope you enjoyed your gifts. You can thank the higher powers for that. Once again, I know I posted a video about this earlier, but I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas. I hope you all get what you want, and I hope you all stay healthy and just smile this Christmas. If you guys are not yet part of our community, check out our Discord down below, check out our Reddit, where I want to see you posting your spice memes. I know the giveaway ended and I need to announce the winners. The winners will be announced both on my YouTube community page, on Twitter, and on Discord. Thank you so much to the Patreons supporting this channel. You guys help me out a ton, paying my bills and just buying the little things here and there. So thank you for helping me make these videos better. If you guys would like to support the channel in any way, shape, or form, we've got sick mugs down below that boost your FPS by 300%, and merch that does not put a huge ad on your body. This is actually a VR cover Christmas sweater, so this is not our merch, but it's still really cool. You can check it out down below. And as usual, in case you guys want to be notified about future content coming up on the channel, make sure to smack the subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace.